Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to restore a deleted email on your Gmail. So first thing we have to do is open the Gmail. Okay, and here's the look. Let's delete like several emails to show you how the way to turn or to bring those emails back. For example, I would like to delete this Instagram's email. You just need to click and hold it until the information is pop up on your screen here, and then after that you just need to go click this trashed pinned, and now this email is already disappeared and already deleted from your inboxes. And how to bring those emails back, you just need to slide your screen into the right side, or you just need to simply click these three straight lines, and after that go scrolling down until you found a pin. Just need to click it and find out which email that you already deleted before. Okay, here is the email that we already deleted. So how to bring these emails back into our inboxes, you just need to do the same. Click this email until the several options pop up, and after that just go click these three small dots and go click move, and now choose which folder or which section that you want to move the documents to. For example, in primary, and after that let's check in the primary sections, and you can see that the email is already back into your inboxes. So that's all the way how to restore your deleted email on the Gmail. If you found that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.